change these out, they literally just pull right off. Use a little tool I got over here. I've had this one off already, so it comes off pretty easy. Little plastic clips hold it tight or broken. As you can see, it wobbles. Just get a little tool just like that. You got it from the parts store. I mean, plastic doesn't scratch anything up. They literally just pull it up just like that. Got little plastic retainer clips there. Hold it snug. This one is missing these, so I'm going to have to get some new ones. And then to pull these out, you just kind of let the cable pull them down, and then just put them at a twisted angle, and they'll come out pretty good. It's kind of a pain putting them back in, but it's just the opposite of taking them apart. Just pop new ones on, set a little bit of an angle, fight with it, get it just right. There we go. Back down in, and voila. And this one's a lot tighter, so we'll see if it comes off as easy as the other one did. It looks like it will. Wedge it up. Doesn't seem to have as much wire as the other side does. Alright, same as the other side. Just twist it, pull it off. Almost there. So you can do it without breaking it though. That's the tricky part. There we go. They're all lined up. Just like that. Appreciate you guys checking it out, coming by and watching it, subscribing, liking, and sharing. That's awesome, you guys. Thank you again. And I guess until we meet up again, take it easy.